Okay, so now we want to do some titles. You can see up here I've been hopping around between tabs of My Media. This is where all of our raw footage is and we can import things. We've looked at transitions. And now we're going to grab titles. Alright, so I want to title my movie. I'm going to go ahead and grab this guy here. And if you drop one of these titles in the timeline, like in the beginning there, it's going to be its own thing over a black screen. It can put it between clips as well. I'm going to throw it at the beginning. So there's title text. You can go click up there, call it the potion. Then if you watch that, it will play. Transitions right into the scene. I'm going to grab a fade to black so that we don't just pop straight into it. Okay, anyways, you can also highlight it, and just like a video clip, I can lengthen that title, I can shorten that title. So now I got my title. Now you can also, typically in a TV show or a movie, you're not going to have words on the screen, but this is an assignment that you're doing this for, where you have to say what each scene is. So I'm going to go back to titles. I'm going to pick something that's not too obtrusive. I'm going to grab this text. If you drag text down onto a scene, drop it right on that clip, you can see it'll show up on the clip. So unlike this that was on black, this one shows up on the scene. And you can edit it just like the other one. Oop. There it is. Click the title text there. So I was highlighted on the scene and I couldn't do anything with text. Go down here in the timeline and click the text. Then you can edit it. So this is leading lines. Now also notice that's on the whole scene. You can grab that. I'm going to shorten it and just have it at the beginning of the scene. This next one, again, the horizon here, the shore is right on the lower rule of thirds, so I could put rule of thirds there. I have another clip that has rule of thirds as a sample, so actually this one here, so I'll actually label this one. There, that's my rule of thirds. Again, on the intersection, I'm going to grab the same text. I'm going to highlight that text and say rule of thirds. Now I'm going to go to my next one. This next one was Symmetry, because it's right in the middle and it's kind of the same on both sides. That's not a great example of symmetry, but it's there. Let's go with that. Symmetry. Symmetry. How do you spell that? Symmetry. Woo! You're right. Okay, so then the next one is frame within a frame. So I'm going to drag that onto the clip. And I'm going to say frame within a frame. And then that's my whole movie. So let's go here. You're going to see the potion, leading lines, extra clip there. Oh, that one didn't stick. This is rule of thirds. Hit return. Go to the next one. Symmetry. Frame within a frame. And there's my movie. And then in the next segment, I'll show you how to export that and get it to YouTube.